Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to enable crossfade on Apple Music. So once crossfade is enabled on Apple Music, you'll be able to hear the next song to be played on a playlist gradually before the current playing song ends. Okay, so if you want to do that, all you have to do guys is to go to your phone settings and then scroll down. Then you're going to see this music option. Tap on that, and then you're going to find crossfade option right here. So you can only see crossfade option if you're on iOS 17. Alright, so once you see the crossfade option, go ahead and turn on the toggle button, and then you'll be able to hear the next song to be played on the playlist gradually before the current playing song ends. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.